Did you know your blender could be the key to better health? Today, we're sharing 3 simple yet powerful smoothie blends that can naturally boost your blood flow, reduce inflammation, and strengthen your vision. Let's blend our way to wellness. First up, the beetroot and apple combo. Beetroot is rich in nitrates, which help widen blood vessels and improve circulation. Apples add fiber, antioxidants, and a gentle sweetness that balances the earthy beet flavor. Blend them together to create a vibrant deep red drink that boosts blood flow and supports brain health naturally. Try sipping this before workouts or study sessions. You'll feel the difference. Next, pineapple and mint, your gut's best friends. Pineapple contains bromelain, a natural enzyme that reduces inflammation and supports digestion. Mint helps soothe the stomach, relieves bloating, and adds a refreshing coolness. Together, they taste like a tropical spa treatment for your body, perfect after a heavy meal or during hot summer days. And finally, carrot and orange, a bright citrus combo that's great for your vision. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, essential for healthy eyes. Oranges provide vitamin C, boosting immunity and adding a tangy freshness. Blended together, they create a golden smoothie that keeps your eyes sharp and your immune system strong. So there you have it, 3 simple smoothies that don't just taste amazing, but also heal your body from the inside out. Try them one by one and tell us your favorite in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick wellness tips.